To make good investment decisions, you need to make sure that your money is protected. According to the FBI, identity theft is the fastest growing crime in America. Fox Toledo's Christy Lee has some tips on how to protect your identity. It's today's Market Minute.
Steve from Toledo asks, LifeLock, what is it? Does it really work? LifeLock is an identity theft protection company, a service you must pay for. But there are some identity theft precautions you can take that are free. The best thing you can do is keep updated on your credit reports. You are allowed a free annual look at each credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This should give you a heads up if anything is out of the ordinary. Also, make sure to balance your checkbook monthly and check your statements when they come in for any suspicious activity. The LifeLock website also has some free ID protection tips. Unfortunately, finding out your identity has been compromised happens after the damage is done, which means you'll need to go through the steps to clear your name, calling your credit card companies, the credit bureaus.
So that could take, 30 plus hours just to get just that part done. So if you had the LifeLock service and we were able to catch that before the account was actually opened in your name, you're saving yourself a lot more time than, taking it off your credit report.
LifeLock's basic service is $10 a month. To find out what that covers and how the system works, tune in next week. For your Dollars and Cents Market Minute, I'm Christy Lee.
Remember, always check with your personal financial advisor before making any financial decisions.